Hello to everyone. My name is Oliverio Cameron, and this is my student presentation. It's about web usability principles. Okay. And I'm going to start with the definition. What is website usability? Website usability wants that person or visitors can use the website to achieve specific goals. It means that the website should focus on the user needs, and the website should be efficient and easy to use. This is very important. The website should be easy to use, and for make a website usability we have some principles. We have 5 principles. The first is availability, clarity, learnability, credibility, and relevance. First, availability. Well, imagine that people try to access to your website and it doesn't work. For whatever reason, your website becomes worthless. And how we can make availability with a good hosting. Yeah. And we have 3 advices. The first is server uptime. It's important to ensure that your visitors don't get an error trying to load your site. Then broken links. We should double check that there are no dead links on your site. And for make a broken links, there are so many tools for look broken links. And then mobile responsiveness. It makes sure your site can handle different screen size and slow connection. An example for this availability is Amazon.com. This is the page of Amazon. This company is very famous in all the world. Yeah. If we refresh the page, it's very quickly. We can see that the page is responsive because the page adapt to all the size of the devices. For example, if we have a Samsung Galaxy, we can see that the website adapt to the size. Then the next principle is clarity. Clarity means that when visitors come to our site, they will come with certain goals in mind, and our job is help them reach these goals as quickly as possible. Yeah, and for do it, we need to make the website simplicity. It means that the focus on what's important, and it's important that the website should not have distract for the visitors. The website should be familiarity, consistency, guidance, direct feedback, and good information architecture. An example of clarity is the page of Apple. I think all of us know the business, the company Apple, and what kind of people want to see in the page. Maybe someone want to see the store or see the accessories of their devices, or want to see the support. Yeah, but the page is very clear. We can see that there is no distractions, there is no publicity. If I want to see the store, I want to look the iPhones, and I want to see the characteristics, the prices, and I can buy. The next principle is learnability. Learnability is defined as the capacity of a product to enable the user to learn how to use it. Yeah. Make use of what people already know, or create something new that is easy to learn. This is the key. Easy to learn. For example, Microsoft. Microsoft is a website very fresh, modern, and the layout of the site is classical, and it's very learnability because we have a logo in the top left, and whatever part of the page I can to click on the logo, and I can to know how we are, and have a search file, and its search file make learnability the page. Yeah. Next principle is credibility. It's important that people who visit your page know that this is a real company, this is a real business, there are real people working in the company. How we can do it? With About Us page. All the information will be real, transparent, and maybe we can add testimonials for be more credibility the page. This is a website of the company that actually I work, Waltz Peru. For me it's credibility because have social media links like LinkedIn, and LinkedIn is real because there are real persons, and general manager of the company. There are publications 2 weeks ago, 3 days ago. There's a real person, and the same with Facebook is real. The directions, phone number is real, and we have projects. This company make environmental studies for different industries like mining, electricity, transport, telecommunications. For example, mining, we can enter the projects that company work. Yeah, and there is a direction, the team who work in this project. Yeah, this is a credibility page. Relevance is perhaps the most complex issue in usability because it describes whether the content that your customers see on your site is engaging. This is the key: engaging. Creating engaging content involves carefully defining your target audience, determining what they want, and meeting their needs as clear as possible. For example, website of Nike. What kind of people visit this web page? Deportists. If, for example, if you are looking for a new running shoes, you don't even care about all the tennis or indoor store shoes they also have. Nike allow you to browse the store according to your specific goals. For example, Pegasus. You can find your specific goals in the store. The reason is the company, this website is relevant. Usability test. In so many cases, when we finish our website, we should do a test of usability, and there is many ways for do it. For example, manually, or with tools, or online testing. Manually testing is important because we need to search errors in the website, in the code, in the HTML, CSS, or JavaScript. For example, here there is a link, a broken link, because there is no direction, and in my chamber page I can see it: contact, join, it work, contact, don't work. Yeah. But there is a social media, and it's real. Yeah. Maybe it's important read all the code, looking errors, but there is other many ways. For example, tool testing or online testing means that there is a page like Crazy Egg, User Sums, Loop 11 optimizes. In this page you can enter your website, and the page can look errors, and many people won't visit the page, and this is a usability test that is important for the website, because the goal of the website is make easy for users, and it will focus in the user needs. And thank you for your attention in my student presentation. That's all.